What's the meaning of certification? Certification. Certification.
Certification. Certification. Certification refers to the process of formally attesting to someone's or something's qualifications or abilities through a recognized authority. The result of certification is a verified level of proficiency, knowledge, or skill in a particular area. This can be important in professions such as healthcare, aviation, and education where safety and competence are critical. Additionally, certification can enhance an individual's credibility and professional standing, increase job opportunities, and potentially lead to higher wages. Overall, certification provides assurance to employers, clients, and the public that individuals or products meet certain standards and requirements.